Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ram ProMaster Mirror Easy Guide. Fold the mirror inward and inspect the mirror mount for visible screws and plastic trim clips. Use a soft trim tool to gently pry the outer trim away from the base, exposing fasteners. Keep a magnetic tray nearby for screws and a shop towel for any glass or trim fragments to prevent damage. In this video, I will explain how to remove Ram ProMaster Mirror Easy Guide. Start by gathering a 10 mm socket, trim tool, pliers, and a towel to protect surfaces. Remove any outer trim carefully with the plastic tool, then loosen the visible screws holding the mirror assembly. Support the mirror with one hand as you disconnect wiring and remove the final fasteners so the assembly does not drop and chip paint. In this video, I will explain how to remove Ram ProMaster Mirror Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this useful, subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Also, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, great for keeping your workspace tidy between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to remove Ram ProMaster Mirror Easy Guide. After trim removal, support the mirror and remove the mounting bolts with the 10 mm socket, keeping bolts in a tray. Gently separate the mirror from the base and locate the electrical connector, depress its tab, and pull straight out. Inspect the mounting surface and connectors for damage before installing a replacement or reinstalling the same mirror to ensure a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.